Prashant's Knowledge Center. In previous class, we have seen about the program, how to write a program to print even numbers up to n using for loop. Now, the same program I will write using the while loop. Here, in for loop, the advantage is in the same function we can initialize, we can give the condition, and we can increment the value. In the same function we can do all the three things. But if we use while loop, we have to do it in different places. Now for that, I am using the while loop here. To show you the difference, I am putting this for loop in comment section so that we can easily see the difference here. Now I am opening the while loop. While condition we will write here I less than or equal to n, and we'll go into the loop, and here I want to make it an even number. So j equal to I into 2, and again after that I want to check. For example, here we want to print up to n only na. I want to check whether the even number is within that range or not, whether the even number which we are printing is in that range or not. So for that I will give if j less than or equal to n, printf. I am using only single line in the if loop, so directly I am giving percentage d comma j. So here again I plus plus, I value should be incremented na, I plus plus, and I will close the while loop here. Now see, same thing will happen here. While it will check the condition, and initially the I value should be there, so I will initialize here only. I equal to 1, I will initialize here only, and here I will check the condition I less than or equal to n value I will take it 5 here. If the value is less than or equal to 5, it will come inside and it will check for the condition. If I value is 1 initially na, it will multiply with 2 and it will check here for the condition whether to print or not. Whether the even number is within that range which is to be printed or not, it will check here and it will print the value, and after printing it will increment the value of I, and again it will go to while loop. Now with this program we'll see and we'll print up to 5 even numbers below 5. Control F9. Below 5 I want to print, see, 2 and 4. Here I will give slash n to print the next number in the next line. Now I'll see, and below 5 I want to print 2 and 4 are the even numbers below 5. Now I want to print below 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, up to 10 it is printed. See, like this with while loop I have used this program. Whereas in the for loop, here itself initialization, condition and increment is there. In while loop, initialization is here in the top and condition is here in the function, and increment is within this loop. Like this we can write a program even in the while loop also, but for loop is advanced to the while loop. Mostly we'll use for loop for making the code simpler. This is about the while loop demonstration by writing an even number program here. Thank you friends. Please subscribe Prashant's Knowledge Center.